Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of changing your name on Facebook in 2023. Whether you've recently gotten married, changed your name legally, or simply want to update your profile, we've got you covered. The first step is to log in Facebook. Click on three-dash menu in the top right corner, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and then select Account Center under Meta. Before you proceed, open Play Store app and install this VPN LAT. After installing, go ahead and open it, and then to continue. So from here, it'll bring different servers, but you select Indonesia server and continue with Jakarta or whatever you want. After connecting, go back to your Facebook Account Center and continue from the step where you stopped. Select your profile under Account Center, then you chose the one that is linked to Facebook. Click on Name, so you can edit name. Remove the last name. Edit Thai first name that you want to appear on your Facebook profile. Where there is last name, you're just going to press spacebar. Click on Review Change. Facebook will ask you to confirm your password for security reasons. Enter your password and complete any additional security checks, such as CAPTCHA, if prompted. Once you've confirmed your password and passed any security checks, click Save Changes to update your name on Facebook. And there you have it. Your name on Facebook is now updated for 2023. Remember to use your real name, as this helps maintain a safe and authentic environment on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.